Just to the farm since I last made a video. We're going to have a new cubicle shed, and as you can see, it's in the process of being built. And this track is going to be over there, and that's going to house loads.